Hello, I'm Patrick, CEO of Ubuntu International Trade Company. So today I'm going to show you where and how Africa Best is being produced. So first of all, this here we have an old truck, okay? This is the old truck. The chassis is like 2019. So this is how we do. We buy this old truck, we just keep this chassis, we remove everything, the engine, the gearbox, the head, like we remove everything. Come with me, let me show you how it works. So, because in the model that we have that is called Africa Best, we need a new engine, new gearbox, a new tank, like we need to change almost all the equipment, even the head. So over there you can see those are old engine, all right? So those are old engine there that have been removed. So let's go inside the workshop. I'm going to show you how things are being made here. Come with me. All right, so guys, as you can see here, there's an old chassis that have been repainted. So you have a new tire here, the tank is new, they are working on it. So you can see that everything has been removed, like the head, like the engine, the gearbox, we only have the chassis here. Come with me, I'm going to show you how things are getting done here. Yeah, so in this side, I'm going to show you what exactly is getting done here. So this here, right here, this is the head. This head is brand new, like brand new head. Let's try to see inside. Okay, we see inside. You can see it's brand new. This is the head. Like we have like everything, bed, we have 2 seats, and then everything that a truck needs. Okay, this head plus the chassis that I show you there, this head will be fixed on the chassis. And then plus a new engine, new gearbox and everything. Sorry for the noise. You guys have to understand that we are in the factory. So we are in the workshop, so forgive us for the noise. Sorry for the noise. You guys have to understand that we are in the workshop. So that's why. So right here we have old engine. This engine, those are the ones that when you contact Chinese that you need a truck, those are the ones that they're going to put in your truck. But when you work with us, with Ubuntu, we are going to make sure, we'll come underground here and make sure that the engine that you have in your truck is a brand new engine. So come with me. Let me show you something. Let's go that side so for you to see what they are doing and how they are doing it. So right here, as example, you see this is the old chassis that they just repainted it, and then now we have a new brand new head. Everything is new here. As you can see, everything is new. The equipment are here. We even have the battery. The battery also are brand new. We have brand new battery that we put in our trucks. So you come this side. Here, I would say maybe we are in 70% done here. Be careful. Please, guys, understand that we are in the workshop. I have to be careful whenever I move. So yeah, we have brand new tire. Everything is brand new here. Engine is new. The head is new, the chassis is old, and then they're going to put the tank and all those equipment. So yeah, let me show you something else. I have just to be careful, to not get hurt. Okay, this side also we have, this is the same model, but different head color. So when it comes to the color, you are free to choose which color do you like. Which color do you want your truck to look like? Which color is the best? The color is your choice. You're going to choose like which color do you want for your truck. Do you want to put your logo? Everything is possible with us. So this, we have a brand new head, we have an old chassis, we have a new engine, we have a new gearbox, everything is new. Let me show you, this one is, they haven't put the head. This one here, they have not put the head yet. But for the nose, this is the, you have to understand we are in the workshop, so you hear this kind of noise regularly. Yeah, they are moving things. Things are heavy, so they need something to move it around. All right. So yeah, let's get back to what we were saying. So here we have a old chassis that have been repainted. The engine is new. We can show this side. All right, this side the engine is new. The chassis is old, it has been repainted, the tires are new. And then the tank also is new. They're just going to put the head. They're just going to put the head up. So yeah, let me see. Okay, this is the chassis. This is how it looks like. And then from this, we're going to end up like this. This is what those guys that are working here, they are professional. They know what they're doing. They've been doing it for years. Some of them, they've been doing this for 20 years, 30 years, 14 years even. But yeah, so they are doing their job. Let's go. To show you guys that everything here is new, we have equipment that we buy for each truck. So like here in this box, I can show you, okay, this we have the lighter, okay, we have this, and then we have a lot of more equipment. You guys can see, this is the same color as this. Since the head is new, it's a brand new head, we have all the equipment. The engine have been fixed. The engine have been fixed already, so now they are fixing those, they are connecting the cables and all this thing. Okay, we come here, but for this one, they're almost done. Like this one, they're almost done. And that side also, same thing. I mean, the process is same, but since the workshop is big, each of them have to be focused on what they are doing. So right here, we have also a old chassis, new engine, everything is new. They're just going to put the head here. I showed you a lot of head. Okay, I think the white one there, okay, let's do this. You guys come with me, come with me, come with me. I'm going to show you the head. Like I show you one, let me show you another one. You guys see this chassis over there and the engine have been fixed. So this head, okay, I think it's locked. Okay. You guys come with me. You can see the head is still new. It's brand new. Like when I say brand new, you guys can see it's brand new. This is going to go, but this is the right driving side. Okay, come with me this side. Okay, come with me. So yeah, you see this is brand new. Everything is brand new here. This head is going to go to this side. Okay, it's going to go there. So yeah, basically this is how Africa Best have been made. I hope you guys understand the process. So come with me. All right, when it comes to customization, painting, anything, this is where it's getting done. And then I think I've showed you guys from A to Z how Africa Best come in life. So if you have any particular question about how we work and you want to work with us, just leave a comment below or you can contact us on WhatsApp. The phone number is in the description. For those of you who want to participate to one of the biggest business events in the world, that is called Content Fair, the link will be in the description. Just click the link, fill your information, we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So I will see you in the next video. God bless.